Mm.
Honestly,
hi loves, what is up? It's AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys this easy beginner's holiday look that I came up with. This is a cut crease, and this is specifically for my beginners out there who struggle with cut creases. This may look hard, but I promise you guys it's easy, and I make it easy for you as we go throughout the video. So if you are one of my beginners who struggle with doing cut creases, or you aren't as confident, then you know, just watch this video, take your time, and even do it with me so that you can understand what I'm saying as we go throughout the video. So yeah, before we get into all of that, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead, pause this video, hit that subscribe button, because once again, I'm coming through with the content, with the helpful videos for my beginners, because I know you all love these beginner series videos. So also give this video a thumbs up for this look. It all came together. It looks so nice, and it's very festive, so you can wear this for the holiday, okay? Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look, and let me know if you guys want a part 2 cut crease video for my beginners, something a little bit more advanced, or if you guys want me to actually go into detail step by step in a cut crease video, then let me know. Just comment down below. Ooh, let me know. Just comment down below. Let me know. Alright, I'm sorry, that rhymed. Anyway, all of that being said, I really love the way that this turned out, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to start with our brows, and I'm going to take my Duo Lash Glue, and what we're going to do is tame our brow hairs. Let me zoom up so that you guys can see better. I need them done, but I'm just trying to grow them out just a little bit more because I like my eyebrows thick for the winter. And I'm just applying the glue to my eyebrows and having them just brushed back. So we gotta go to extreme measures to get these eyebrow hairs to actually lay and cooperate. My Maybelline concealer on a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to outline my brows. Okay, and I'm gonna take that same concealer and apply this to my lid. And then go in with the same brush and just pat the concealer in. Now this is what we're working with. So we're gonna go in with our first transition shade, and the look that we're going for today is like a cut crease but with a brown orange kind of thing going on. This is going to be an easy beginners holiday makeup tutorial. So I know that most of my beginners have trouble doing cut creases, so we're gonna work on that as we go throughout this video. Okay, this is gonna be pretty easy and something that you guys can do, and if you do have trouble with it, just keep working at it and you will get better. I'm gonna go into this shade. We're going to apply this in the form of our eyes. So we are applying this in swiping and circular motions, and also fanning the excess out. Okay, and then going in with a darker brown, we're gonna take this shade on the same brush, and we're gonna deepen up our crease with this. Actually, we're gonna go in with a more flat brush. You guys can see it. It's more flat and going into that same brown. This brush is a little bit more precise, so it's gonna deepen up our crease area so much better. And then we'll just use the brush that we started off with to blend it out. And don't forget to fan the edges out. So I had to learn how to do some eyeshadow because your girl was struggling when she first started out. And I tell y'all, I was struggling, like struggling. And look at me now. So as you guys see, I'm switching back and forth between these two brushes. This one is to pack the color on and this one is to blend out. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with a deeper brown, and we're gonna go into this shade right here, and also take this in our crease area. And this is a pencil brush, so the tip is very fine and very small, so it will get right in that corner that we want it. So although the cut crease alone, when we cut our crease, it'll create that depth, we still want to give our eyes a little bit more. And then going back in with our blending brush. We're gonna blend all three of these colors together with nothing on a brush, but just the excess product. So as you guys can see, doing cut creases like this is pretty much like a build-up. So you wanna start with little and then add more if needed. Because if you start with too much, it's gonna be harder for you to blend out. And we want to make our job easier, not harder, so you want to start with a little and keep packing and blending on. The Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C11, and I'm going to take this on a concealer brush, and y'all know I can't talk on this part, so I'm going to speed this up and just show you guys how I do it because it's easier to show than explain. So if you guys see what I'm doing, I'm just patting and bringing down, patting like that. Instead of actually like trying to carve it out, it's easier to just pat and drag down. Now we're gonna go in with the NYX Pigment Primer. I like to use this because it makes whatever I'm putting over my concealer pop 10 times more. So we're just gonna apply this. And then I'm going in with the Juvia's Place palette, the Saharan. And I'm gonna go into the shades Zoya and maybe a little bit of Senegal. So here's Zoya, it's more peachy, and then Senegal is more gold. If you want, you can keep it like this, but I think I want to add a brighter shimmer over that. So I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette. And I'm going to dip into the shade Dahia, I think. Apply this over what we have down. For this part, you can choose to either leave your eyes like this, put on some lashes, and do your face. Or you can do what I'm about to show you. So I'm about to add some white liner right in the crease area. It's because I want to add like a pop of color in there. I think that it'll add to the look very nicely. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so with this process, you want to take your time. Okay, so that's done. So I'm gonna go in with a gold liner as well, and I'm just gonna apply this in the front. I don't know how this is gonna look, but I'm gonna apply this in the front. I jump into lashes, and for lashes today I'm gonna be using these beautiful lashes that I got from the Glam Times. They were nice enough to send me a pair of lashes. They look really nice, and I think they will make this look pop 10 times more. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara, and I'm using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And we're just gonna give our top lashes a coat of this, not too much, but just something to make our natural lashes blend in with the falsies. Alright, so our lashes are on, and these look so good. So good. Put on some eyeliner. Okay, so now onto the full face. I'm going to use my NYX First Base Primer. And for foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the shade Y445. And then going in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer. We're going to apply this on our highlight areas. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my Morphe sponge. And we're going to apply this on the areas that we want to suck in and make look smaller. I applied a little bit too much contour, so I'm just going to go over that with my foundation brush. I'm going to take my Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. And then using the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, we're going to take this and set our contour. Blush, we're going to go in with the Milani Powdered Blush in the shade Romantic Rose. Mario Badescu and set our powders in. And then we're going to go back to the eyes. So we're going to go back into the palette and go into the brown shade and the orange shade that we use and smoke out our bottom lash line with these shades. I'm going to dip into a shimmery shade and apply this in the inner tear ducts. And we're going to apply our mascara to our bottom lash line. And we're going to take that same shade that we applied in our inner tear duct and apply this on our brow bone. Now for my brows, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and we're going to fill these brows in. Also going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow on my brows as well, just to fill in any areas that our pencil didn't catch. And I'm going back to my OD. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to dip into the shade Moonstone and Tourmaline, these two. And we're going to set our face again and then move on to our lips. Next, retractable lip liner in the shade Sand Beige. And going over that with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. So this definitely needs a lip liner. To top that off, I'm using the Milani Keep It Full Lip Plumper in the shade Nude Brilliance. And we're gonna top this off with this. Alrighty, loves, so that completes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this. I really love the way that this look turned out, and if you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and before we go, today's motivational quote is, where God is about to take you, no ladders exist. So don't worry about anyone reaching you, catching up to you, or pulling you down. So with that being said, I want to wish you guys a happy holidays and a very safe holiday at that. And I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.